Okay, a second example of an AND statement. That's where I have an expression in between two numbers. Um, I want to, again, I just want to solve to get x by itself in the middle here. So again, I'm just setting this up so that I have clear areas where I'm working. Alright, so I have 2x plus 3, and I want x by itself, so the first thing I want to do is subtract 3 from every part of the inequality. Plus 3 and minus 3 will subtract to 0. 13 minus 3 is going to give us 10, and negative 1 minus 3 is going to give us negative 4. I'm just going to bring down my symbols exactly the way they are because all I did was subtract, and I want to bring down the 2x. So now I have negative 4 is less than 2x is less than or equal to 10, and I just wanted to divide by 2 to get x totally by itself. Now I'm only dividing by a positive 2, so when I divide, I'm not going to be switching any symbols because it's a positive 2 I'm dividing by. So negative 4 divided by 2 is going to give us negative 2. The 2's of course canceled out, so I'll just bring down the x. 10 divided by 2 is 5, and I'll bring down the symbols exactly the way they are. Okay, so I want to graph this on a number line, so I will put 0, can I put 0 in the middle? I'm going to put 0 off to the left a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Okay, so to graph it, I'll start at negative 2. The symbol is less than, but it's not saying it's less than negative 2. It's we know that because it's an AND statement, it's going to be filling in between. But since it's not less than or equal to, I just want to just fill in an open circle over 2. Then I'm going to go over to 5, and there's the symbol is less than or equal to, so I'm going to fill in a closed circle. And then, since x is between those two, I just want to connect them. And if we were to check, everything in between, negative 1 is greater than negative 2 and less than or equal to 5, or really just less than 5. So everything on our little graph seems to make sense. And that's it.